Hi all, we'll be studying about the exponential smoothings. Next problem to get a more particular idea about the problems which are utilized in exponential smoothing. So let's go to the problem. Here in this example it is given that one of the two-wheeler manufacturing company experiences irregular but usually increasing demand for three products. The demand was found to be 420 bikes for June, 440 bikes for July. They use a forecasting method which takes average of past year to forecast future demand. Using simple average method, demand forecast for June is found to be 320 bikes. Using a smoothing coefficient of 0.7 to weight the recent demands most heavily and find the demand forecast for average. So we have already used simple average method and the forecast was found to be 320 bikes. So based upon that one and using the value of alpha to be 0.7, we have to find out the demand forecast for the entire process. So same manner, we'll first arrange the table and the demand is being taken as 420 and 440. The forecast or older forecast is taken this month 320. Finding out the difference between the forecast and the demand and the forecast and multiplying it with coefficient of smoothing which is alpha, we get the value to be 70. And finally when we put the formula for forecast which is ft plus alpha of dt minus ft which gives us 390. So based upon that we say that the value of forecast demand or forecast is changing to 390 which was found to be 320 in the case of moving average method. This is how we can get few accurate values by utilizing this method of forecasting, which is the smoothing coefficient or smoothing exponent method. Thank you. Similar manner for the July month, we are having the value to be 390, and when we find out the difference, it is 50, and when we multiply it with alpha, we get that as 35. And finally, when we find it out as ft plus alpha of dt minus ft, or when we multiply that value, add that value with that of the forecast or older forecast, we get the value to 425. Hence, the forecast for the July month is 425. This is how a problem is solved in exponential smoothing. Thank you.